kittens. Oh wow, it's warm in here. Okay, let's give it a last snuggle. Be a quick one though. Already purring. Right. I'm gonna miss these guys. Cassidy was like a mini Parker, and that'll be something the long-time viewers would understand. Kai would not be adopted today. He's got soft stool, more liquid than not. Okay guys, I gotta load you up. It's a 30-minute drive. So 35. The cam will be on until just sometime tonight to allow people to catch the departure on DVR. And then the main event will end. Okay, right. And then the Spot Sky Cam will still be on for the Patreon. That's very brave of you guys. Easiest load up ever. Thank you guys for sharing this journey with me, with us. Until the next Fosters, enjoy the room. Have a nice day.